nature of healing, so often bizarre.
Chews you up, spits you out, cleanses your karma without a doubt.
Time alone in a divided nation, continuously seeking an explanation. Step by step, lesson by lesson,
A hidden design prepares a new heaven.
this healing is what it is for our benefit, whether one knows it or not. I know for definite. Reflect our inner treasures
Above a world of dualistic measures,
it spurs us on through valleys and trees,
honing our values like butterflies and bees.
step by step,
Lesson by lesson, a hidden design prepares a new heaven. This healing is what it is for our benefit, whether one knows it or not. I know for definite.
a glorious journey, expanding our character, solving mysterious riddles with puzzling parameters. The outcome of healing, a cool, calming balm,
Releasing all baggage without real harm, allowing
the light
of infinite sun